Hello! Today's video is going to be a really good one because we've got 5 fantastic vegan recipes that hail from our second cookbook, Bish Bash Bosh.
These are 5 of our absolute top picks in the video, and we just want to let you know that look at this, we've got a brand new cover for the Bish Bash Bosh book, looking absolutely gorgeous. It's available right now, so if you haven't got this one or you want to get it, we'll pop the link in the description.
That is a good looking thing.
It's a beautiful thing.
And do you know what's also really good?
What's that?
The recipes. Woohoo!
First up is our banging cheese toastie, and we're going to make a cheese ourselves out of cashews, out of tapioca flour, some aquafaba, and a load of magic. We're going to inject all of that loveliness and create our own dairy-free cheese. And of course, we need some bread. We're gonna toast that bad boy up and make it absolutely hot, melty, and delicious. Don't forget a touch of chutney to dip that bad boy into, and you have got the perfect cheese toastie. And guess what? There's 2 more of these in our book.
Oh my goodness, what a fantastic recipe. That sandwich just looked unbelievable. Next up in this wonderful lineup of recipes, we have Faux Grass. This is our vegan take on the classic French dish. We knew when writing Bish Bash Bosh that we had to get this epic recipe into the book. The original recipe was the brainchild of Alexis Gauthier, who we collaborated with before the release of this book. Poi lentils help give this dish a solid bite, while all the seasonings such as the sage, the thyme, and the rosemary give it a good old flavour bomb. We spread this on toast, but honestly you could eat this however you like. We won't judge you even if you eat it straight out of the jar.
The third in our wonderful lineup is probably our favourite curry. It's the Curry House Jalfrezi. This bad boy is an absolute classic curry house dish. What's great about this is the stock can be pre-made and frozen for a later date. So if you want to save yourself time on a rushed midweek evening, defrost your stock, cook a curry, and away you go. Fun fact, the Jalfrezi has actually overtaken the tikka masala as Britain's favourite curry. Did you know that?
I did not know that.
If that's not a reason to try this curry, I don't know what is. Maybe rustle up some onion bhajis or a roti, also in Bish Bash Bosh. Anything you can get your hands on to dip into this curry is going to be a certified win.
And the fourth recipe in this wonderful list is Camembert Hedgehog. Gosh, this one is a goodie. If you want a hearty, flavour-packed, dippy cheese dish, this is your guy. Big thanks to Ellie from Kinda Co, makers of incredible plant-based cheeses, for the original recipe, which we collaborated on together in the early days of Bosh. Even though the Camembert is the star of the show, this garlicky, herby hedgehog that you dip into this cheese could not be overshadowed. Once that beast of a bread comes out the oven, your jaw will be flat on the ground. Trust us. This is the perfect recipe for a Sunday lunch or to include in your next Christmas Day spread.
And the last but certainly not least recipe is our banana bread donuts. Wow, don't they look good? Perfectly round, perfectly delicious. This is definitely a dessert which you eat with your eyes, as the decoration is so key to creating the perfect donut. These donuts are more healthy than a classic donut because we bake them instead of frying them. And obviously, they're made from plants, baby, so it's basically a salad. Get creative with the toppings. The world is your vegan oyster. You could even play about with different icing flavors as well.
So there you have it, everybody. That's 5 wonderful recipes from our second book with a brand new cover, Bish Bash Bosh.
Remember, this bad boy is out now, so if you haven't got this one in the collection, by all means, grab a coffee. Grab a coffee or grab a copy. This beauty is out now. If you do want to grab one, we will pop the link in the description or in the bio. But if you just want to cook the recipes you've seen, the recipes are all on our website. Big love, and we will see you in the next one. There's just one thing left to say. Bish
Bash Bosh!